Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why red blood cells are red? Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of our blood to uncover the secret behind this vibrant hue. Alright, so let's get started with some basics. Red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes, are the most common type of blood cell in the human body. They play a crucial role in transporting oxygen from our lungs to every single cell in the body and then carrying carbon dioxide back to the lungs to be exhaled. But what makes them red? The answer lies in a protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a complex molecule found inside red blood cells, and it's responsible for binding to oxygen. Each hemoglobin molecule contains iron atoms, and it's these iron atoms that give red blood cells their distinct color. When oxygen binds to the iron in hemoglobin, it causes a change in the molecule's shape and the way it absorbs and reflects light. This interaction with oxygen is what gives blood its bright red color when it's oxygen-rich. On the flip side, when hemoglobin releases oxygen and picks up carbon dioxide, the blood appears darker and more bluish red. But why does iron cause this color change? Well, the iron in hemoglobin is in a particular chemical state known as ferrous iron, or Fe2+. This form of iron readily interacts with oxygen, and through a series of complex chemical reactions, it reflects red light more than any other wavelength. Essentially, the red color comes down to the specific wavelengths of light absorbed and reflected by the iron-oxygen complex. Now, you might be wondering, why don't other cells in our body turn red, even though many of them contain iron? The key difference is the concentration and form of iron. In red blood cells, hemoglobin contains a very high concentration of iron specifically designed to bind with oxygen. Other cells don't have this specialized form of iron, so they don't exhibit the same red color. Let's put it all together. When you cut yourself and see red blood, you're actually witnessing hemoglobin in action. It's the iron in hemoglobin that transforms into a brilliant red when it latches onto oxygen. It's a beautiful reminder of the complex and efficient systems that keep our bodies running smoothly. Isn't it amazing how a tiny molecule like hemoglobin can have such a big impact? So next time you see your blood, you'll know exactly why it looks the way it does. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this dive into the science of our blood, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Catch you next time.